morning all. Am I audible and are you able to see the screen which I am sharing? Could you please confirm, are you able to hear my voice or able to see the screen which I am sharing? Sorry, are you guys getting my voice or not? Please confirm in the chat or else please speak out. Madhu, Naeem, Rupesh, Uday. Hello. Hello, Uday, are you speaking? I'm not able to hear anyone voice.
Hello.
Yes. Are you getting our voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine, fine. Today we are going to see a small demo on the session. What is the course and what is the syllabus and what is the duration? Everything we can discuss today regarding the fast track manual and automation course. Okay. Actually, this course is named as Manual plus Selenium with Java Automation Fast Track. Why we are calling it as fast track is nothing but we are going to complete this course in the 20 days. 20 days is nothing but 15 working days. Duration. Okay, that's why we are calling it as fast track course. Actually, if you want to complete the manual plus selenium course, it will take almost 45 days. If I take a single class every day, it will take 40 or 45 days. But in this fast track, it will complete within the 15 working days. Okay, you may have doubt how it will be completed within the 15 days, right? So every day I will take 2 hours. The timings are from 6 every day. I'm going to take 2 hours. 2 hours is nothing but 15 days into 2 hours. Total how many hours? 30 hours, right? Out of 30 hours, 6 hours will be for manual testing. 6 hours will be for manual testing. Remaining 24 hours will be for automation testing. Are you guys getting the point what I'm telling? Total, the course is a manual plus Selenium with Java automation framework, and the total duration is 15 working days, is nothing but 20 days. Within 3 weeks, the course will be completed. Every day, I am going to take 2 hours, 15 days into 2 hours, total 30 hours. Out of 30 hours, 6 hours will be the manual testing course, and I will provide the materials also. After the completion of the manual testing, I will provide the manual testing material. Here you can see how the materials looks like. This is the manual testing notes. Okay, I will explain each and every point clearly, and I prepared a notes for that also. It will help you at the time of interview. Okay, I will give this entire material after completion of those 3 days classes. 3 days classes is nothing but 6 hours, right? But in automation also, I am going to give materials, but it will be the multiple materials. Okay, for every class, I will share one material. Here you can see Selenium with Java materials. Total, how many materials are there? 14 materials are there, right? So each material will be explained in one session. It's nothing but 2 hours. Okay. I will explain the syllabus also, what you are going to learn in the Selenium with Java and everything. And I will share some tips and tricks to learn this course, Java, what are the web locators, and all these things will be explained. Here there is a like this. Okay. I'm going to explain each and everything very clearly. Okay. And what next? Okay. Are you guys understand how the course is structured? Have any doubt on this? Are you guys clear about the timings and each everything? The timings are from Monday to Friday. Weekends there is no classes. Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Okay. Just see these 6 points and ask your doubts if you have any. If not, then we can go with the small demo session on this few concepts.
Sir, this is
Are
manual
you?
testing, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Uday, I'm not able to hear your voice properly.
Oh, this is manual plus testing, right? So, which is daily 2 hours.
Yes,
Okay, okay. No problem. Okay, okay.
fine.
Yeah, fine, sir. Fine.
This is the schedule. Okay, I will share this in the chat also. If you have any doubt, you can go through these ones. I share these things in the chat also. Okay, and now what we are going to see is a small demo. After that, we can see in the automation syllabus and manual testing syllabus what you are going to learn in the coming sessions. Okay, actual classes is starts from Monday, but today and tomorrow you are having the small demo sessions from 6:30 to 7:30 or at 7:15. Okay, these are the small sessions and the free sessions for the demos. The classes which is started from the Monday 6 to 8 a.m. If you are confirmed, then you can able to join the classes. Okay, and first two people have to know who am I, right? I'm a senior test analyst, works on the Selenium BDD framework and TestNG framework with Java. And next one is who can take this course. Few people may have doubt that may eligible to take this course. So for those people, please listen this carefully. Beginners who want to start their career as a tester after completion of their graduation or post graduation or degree, whatever it is, so they can easily jump into the testing, whether it may be manual testing or automation testing, anyone can take. And second one is who are already working as a manual testers, but they want to switch into the automation testers. They can also work as a, they can also take the course. And any non-IT background employees, for example, the few people is working as a quality control. Quality control is different from testing. Okay. Quality analyst is called as the tester. Quality control is different. Few people is working as a quality control. Few people is working as some IT support. Some few people is working as some BPOs call centers. But those people want to jump into the automation or else manual testing field. Those people also can take this course. And next one, students, those who want to enter into IT industry. For example, a few students, due to their backlogs, they are not able to uh, join in any company, right? After clearing the backlogs, they are in the dilemma on which technology I need to go. Those people also can take this course. And no coding knowledge is required for the manual testing. For the automation testing, everything will be learned from scratch. Okay, if you are concentrated to learn, then it will be easy to you to learn very easily. Okay, but I'm sure that you should practice every day automation testing. Then only you will get it. Even though I'm teaching, it's a 2 hours course, it will complete fast. Okay, whenever I telling the 2 hours of class, 2 hours of class, you have to see that recording and you have to go through that material and you have to practice again and again. Clear what I'm telling? Then only you guys will easily crack the interviews. Okay, and next one is today objectives. Total 6 points we are having. First one is introduction about myself, and the next one is what is mean by testing, a basic definition and general definition of testing. And next one is what is SDLC, what is software development lifecycle, and tools used in manual and automation testing. What are the major tools we are using in this course to learn the automation and manual? And next one is what are the roles and responsibilities of the tester. And the course timings are already explained, no need to explain this again. Okay, clear? And introduction about myself. Myself, Raju, having 7+ years of experience in the testing industry, with 5 years of teaching or training experience. Okay. And next one is what is mean by testing. Can anyone tell what is the generic meaning of testing? Normal meaning, not into the testing category. Just what we are calling it as testing. For example, we are testing few things, right? For example, test will be conducted at the time of our schooling. So what it means? Don't see this definition. Please tell the generic definition what you want to tell. Madhu, Navluri, Rupesh, Uday.
To identify the quality of a software which is developed by the developers.
Okay. Don't see this definition. Just tell the generic meaning. Actually, testing is nothing but you are expecting something that is executed as you are expected or not. That is the testing. Okay, clear what I'm telling? For example, Kartikeya 2 movie is released recently, right? So you expected something. Yes, that movie is like this, like this. You have expected something. But after going to the theater, what will happen? If the movie is good, your expectation is reached, right? If the movie is not good, your expectation is not reached. Then if the movie is good, your testing will be passed. If movie is not good, our testing will be failed. Right? Clear what I'm telling with it?
Yes.
Okay, that is called testing. Simply what we can say is it is a process used to identify correctness and completeness, the quality of the developer software. Okay, in easy way, how can we define? If testing is nothing but we are verifying that product is behaving as like expected or not. That is called testing in simple definition. And next one is what is meant by software development lifecycle. What is meant by software development life cycle? Actually, we are having so many life cycles. As a human, also we are having the life cycle. We are born as a child, and then teenage, and then adult, and marry, and become parents and grandparents. Like that, we are having a cycle, right? Like that, for software also, we are having the life cycle. Software development life cycle is nothing but it's a type of life cycle which is used while developing the software. Okay, total 6 phases are available in software development lifecycle mainly. They are requirement analysis, system design, and implementation, testing, next one deployment and maintenance. Okay, you may have doubt that what is meant by requirement analysis. Okay, for example, uh, what I can say, let's take you person want to start a business. At that time, you need a software to run your business. What you need to do at the time, you simply go to the software company and will reach out. I have so and so requirements, please develop the software based on these requirements. I'm going to start a new company. Let us take an example of Zomato. Now the Zomato has a structure and market and everything, but before coming to the food deliveries app, how the Zomato owner thought like that I want to put a Zomato food application. Simply they have an idea in their mind, the so and so application, the application should like this, and the requirements and all these things should be the if the food is ordered, it need to be delivered within the time. Like that they will have some requirements in his mind, and all these requirements are put into the customer software industry mind. Okay, that the customer will transfer the requirements to the software company to analyze. Okay, actually the document which consists the requirements under the hand of customer is called the customer requirement specification. Okay, after giving this customer requirement specification to software company, that software company will convert that customer requirement specification to software requirement specification or functional requirement specification. Listen carefully. I will ask the question, what is meant by software requirement specification and how it is different from customer requirement specification. Okay. The software company will collect the CRS from the customer and will convert into the SRS. What is there in the SRS? The technical manner, all the requirements will be put there. Okay, which type of technology we need to use, how to develop the software, is this requirements is possible, is there feasibility to develop these requirements. So all these things will be put it in the SRS document. Okay, who will prepare that SRS document, under who analyze that the software tech, which technology used, and all these things. We are having the software architect, business analyst, and project managers. These are the majorly three persons will sit together and discuss about the which technology we need to use to develop particular requirements for that customer. Okay. Now the requirements are good. Everything is fine. And what is next point? You have a land. Let us take a construction example. You have a land and you have permission and everything. And what is your second point? Planning. You will contact the engineer and will take a plan for your house or else flat, right? That is called system design. System design is nothing but how your what I can say, how the software looks like after completion of the development. That is called system design. Okay, like flat also initially they are showing the design how it looks like after the construction of flat or else independent house, right? Like the system design is nothing but it will shows that how the software looks like after the construction, after the development, after the coding, after the implementation of that software. Okay, now system design is ready. As per the design, implementation is done. It's nothing but coding. It's nothing but development. Okay, implementation or coding or development, everything will be same. Don't confuse the terms. Okay, and the once coding is done, what we need to do, we have to test the application. What we are going to test, what is meant by testing, what is meant by testing?
Yeah, checking the code written by the developers by doing testing.
Yes,
If there is any bugs or any issues with the code.
but what you said is correct, but there is a little error, little clarification it is. They will check
Mm.
the functionality. They won't check code which is written by the developer. Okay, okay, Uday?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, testing is
Checking the
nothing.
functionality.
Yes, they are checking the functionality, not the code which is written by the developer. That is called white box testing. If you are checking the code, that is called white box testing. We don't know what is that for loop, for if statement, what that person is written in that code. How can you test? The developer will only test that. That is called unit testing. Okay, that testing is called white box testing. The testers who is testing the functionalities, the type of testing is called black box testing. Okay, like in testing mainly we are having two types, black box and white box. Black box testing is done by the testers, white box testing is done by the developers. White box testing, how it to be done, they were checking the code which is written by the developers only checking the code which is written by the developers. That is called white box. Black box testing is done by the testers who checks the functionality. For example, there is a login page. You have to check that if the correct username and password is given, it should be login. That is the major functionality you already know about the login page. You have to check that. That is called software development lifecycle. Are you guys clear about software development lifecycle?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone explain what is meant the software development lifecycle as per your understanding and your knowledge? No one? No one? I'm expecting at least 1%.
It's a cycle where uh, we can expect a software is developed and kept tested and kept under maintenance.
So don't worry,
Basically,
whatever you speak out. If it is wrong, I will tell. I will explain till testing. Deployment maintenance phase, I didn't explain, I will explain. But whatever you know, you just uh, out that answer. Then only you will have a confidence at the time of interviews. Okay. Once the testing is done, if the product is fine, it is bug free, then we can deploy that into the live production. Production is nothing but live, right? So once the product is in live, if there is any issues with the product, if you want to change any domains and anything, then simply we can do the maintenance. That is called the maintenance phase. Total, how many phases are available in the software development lifecycle?
6 phases:
What are they?
requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance.
Okay. What is mean by system design?
See,
What is mean by system design? What is the phase of system design?
uh, to develop anything, we have to write. We need the designs for the designing of the software. We are using the system design.
Simply what we can say is it's a blueprint of the development, like a prototype of the development. Okay. If anyone asks what is the system design phase in the software development life cycle, simply you can tell that system design is nothing but the prototype. Prototype is nothing but how it looks like after the construction. Technical word we are calling it as prototype. Or else you can, if you forgot the term, simply you can use the system development. Your voice is going. Okay, fine. Are you guys clear till software development life cycle? Clear, right?
yes,
And
sir.
next one, sorry, someone is asking something. Who is this?
Yeah, clear. All clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Next one is a simple one. It's about the syllabus or the major tools we are going to cover. The first one is manual and automation. In manual Excel, I think you all guys know how to use Excel. Next one is Jira. It's nothing but a task management tool. It will tells you which task you are going to do today and which task you are going to do tomorrow, which task you are going to do the entire next week. These things will be discussed in the form of tickets. And if you have any bugs, you can create the bugs in this Jira tool. And next one is the Jira is entirely in the form of tickets. Okay. And what type of task you need to do today, and what type of task you need to do tomorrow and next week, like that. Okay. Test trial or test link is nothing but in olden days, in the traditional manner, all the test cases was written in the Excel, but now it is was updated. The market is updated, and test trial and test link, all these are paid tools. Okay. In that you need to write the test cases. Okay. And don't think of that agile model is not showing in manual and spiral model is not showing in manual. Test design techniques are not showing in the manual. All these are theoretical concepts. All the theoretical concepts are available. But what I'm showing here, just the tools which are going to learn. So many concepts are available in the I will show one document. Let's wait. What are the major things you are going to? These are the major things you are going to learn in the manual testing. What is software and its types, and what is software testing, and what is software quality, and what is the difference between project and product, and actually why do we need testing, why we are doing the testing for the software applications, and what is the difference between error, bug, and failure, and why the software has bugs. Actually, for the softwares, why the bugs are producing. And later, what is software development lifecycle? Just now explained. We'll explain clearly in the further classes. And what are the different models available in the SDLC? And what are the static testing and what is the dynamic testing? What is the difference between verification and validation? Review, walkthrough, and inspection, QA, QC, QE, and levels of software testing and its types definitions, difference between smoke and sanity, difference between retesting and regression testing, test design techniques, and test execution report and retrometing. These are the so many topics we are going to learn in the manual. You may doubt again, Agile model is not showing in this syllabus. Are you explaining the Agile model? Yeah, already I told that SD, LCM, their models. Agile is one of the model among them. Okay. And next we'll see the real-time project one project, and we will complete. We will end with the manual testing. Okay. And automation syllabus is this thing. Are you guys able to see the Excel sheets which I'm sharing now? Okay. Yes. Yes. Here you can see. All these are the concepts we are going to learn from the automation. What is the Selenium WebDriver? Okay, it is a major area, and what are the topics under the Selenium WebDriver you are going to learn. Okay, total creating the first test case in the Selenium. What is operations in web page, browser, links, images, checkbox, radio buttons, drop downs, dynamic XPath, CSS, handling frames, handling cookies, buy all locator, how to select an option from auto suggest drop down, and all these things. Later on, we are having the Java concept. The Java concepts are very important to write the code in the automation testing. All these concepts we are going to learn. And the next one is TestNG. What is the TestNG framework? And next one is automation framework. Next one is BDD and Cucumber. And these are the things you are going to learn the automation. It's very important. All these topics are very important. Clearly prepare a good syllabus notes for you all guys. I hope you are clear about what are the things you are going to learn in the manual and what are the things you are going to learn in the automation. Right? Do you have any doubt on the syllabus? In further classes, you will get a clear idea. If you are attended one or two classes, you have an idea how the flow is going on. Getting my point? Or not?
Getting sir all clear.
This is a way I am teaching, and these are the testing roles and responsibilities we can see in the further classes also. I will share this PPT to you all guys. You can go through this PPT once. We'll get a clear idea. And every day 2 hours will be there. Mostly my plan is to complete the manual plus automation fast track course by the second week of the September. By the second week, I'm sure that the course will be completed. Because the 15 days, right? 15 days is nothing but we are starting the course on 22nd. 22nd is nothing but second, third. By third, 20 classes will be completed. It's nothing but 10 days will be completed by the 3rd September. Right? Then 4th, 5th will be Saturday and Sunday. Again 6th to 10th. By 10th September, our course will be completed. Okay. And what are the additional advantages by joining the course? You will get the everyday recordings. Okay. And you will get the interview questions materials and all these notes to practice very easily. Okay. All these materials will be provided to you. Just already shown at the starting of the session. For the manual testing, only one material. For the automation, we have a set of materials. All these things will be shared. Okay, if possible, I try to make one more notes for the automation to make all the materials into the single material. Okay, it will help you a lot to access easily, right? That's why I'm planning to make a notes again for the automation testing for for you guys to handle very easily if it is single material, right? There are a lot of materials are there. If I merge all these materials to a single materials, it will help you to handle very easily. Okay, that's it about the demo. Tomorrow we can see one or two models. Okay, actually I just explained today's software development lifecycle, right? Tomorrow we can see how to write the test cases, and in SDLC we are having set of models, sequential models and iterative models. In that again, a waterfall model, spiral model, iterative model, V verification, validation model. This set of models will be there, agile model. We can see one or two models tomorrow. Okay, I will explain clearly in that notes how to how the waterfall model working, how the iterative model working, how V and verification model working. We can take any two models and we can explain it. Okay, clear guys? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
guys clear? If you guys are clear, I'm good to close the session. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Clear, sir.
What is Navul and Madhu? What about you? Are you guys clear or do you have any doubt? Are you guys in the class? No one is speaking. Madhu and Navul. Okay. Anyway, fine. I hope you're not getting your voice. Okay, fine. So, are you guys are clear, right? So, if you have any doubt, you can reach out me, or else you can reach out your respective institutes who joined from this which institute. Okay. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask them. They will ask me. I will give the answers and I will help out you. Okay, once you are confirmed, they will create a particular group to you all. In that group, if you have any doubt, you can ping in that group. Any one of the group can answer, or else I will answer to your doubts. Okay. So thank you all for joining. We'll meet you again. I hope you all guys will join tomorrow also for the demo. So all the best for your careers, and we'll start classes from the Monday. Tomorrow we can join. Please, even if you are confirmed or not, please try to join tomorrow class also. It is also very important tomorrow class. I will explain some models. Okay, as well